Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows activation error 0x80041014, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection speed. So go to fast.com and click on the refresh button here, or just go to the website. It will automatically refresh and check if the internet is good enough. Actually, you just need to activate it, then run the activation troubleshooter. Now I'll show you what the activation troubleshooter looks like. Okay, so on the same page on which you encounter this activation error, there will be a button to troubleshoot. Now I cannot show it on my page because I don't have activation issues, but you'll notice this troubleshoot button. Just click on it, and in most of the cases it will fix the problem. The exception is if you have a retail key. In that case, you will have to recheck the key and enter it once again. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.